Hi. I am Shamshul Arifin. Today I'll explain about baking soda for bed bugs, and how to get rid of bed bugs infestation with baking soda. Copyright disclaimer. Baking soda for bed bugs. Learn how to get rid of bed bugs with baking soda. People are anxious to get rid of bed bugs infestation and searching for information about it. We are here to help them with a very simple method of killing bed bugs with baking soda. Keep in mind that a female bed bug can lay 3,000 eggs and one egg can stay undeveloped up to a year. This makes it more difficult to get rid of bed bugs even after using a lot of toxic chemicals. So, we recommend trying with a pest control professional for getting rid of bed bugs infestation. But, most people are searching for some inexpensive ways to kill bed bugs, as the professional service is very expensive and not affordable for them. That's why we have collected and explained here a simple method of killing bed bugs with baking soda. If you follow our method, you can do it yourself. Baking soda is a very cheap and simple kitchen item that can be used to get rid of bed bugs infestation effectively. So, you need not spend extra for this purpose, and you can exterminate bed bugs from your entire home with baking soda. For this DIY method you'll need the following things. Number 1. A flashlight and bowl. Number 2. Paintbrush and a hard brush. Number 3. Vacuum cleaner and baking soda. Instructions. Number 1. Identify all the infested places. At first, identify all the places in your house where bed bugs are likely to exist. Check carefully each and everything including cracks and crevices with a flashlight to get an enhanced look in dark corners. Write down all the places in a paper you find bed bugs, or their eggs, or any other symptoms of bed bugs infestation. Proper identification is important, or you may assume other bugs as bed bugs and treat them wrongly. Usually, bed bugs centered around the bed including clothing, bed sheets, pillow, mattress, bed spring, and frame, etc. But, they can hide in other places also. So, we need to check everything. Number 2. Remove all the clutters. Remove all the clutters from the infested area as bed bugs including any other insects are likely to shelter in clutters. You may use a hard brush to remove the sticky clutter if any. Don't shift the clutters to another area of the house as this will spread the infestation to your good area also. Instead, keep all the clutters in plastic bags, seal them well, and treat them with baking soda before open it. Number 3. Use a paintbrush. Now, immerse a paintbrush into a bowl with baking soda, and spread it all over the floor surface and other places you suspect bed bugs are hiding. The paintbrush will help you to spread a light layer of baking soda around any cracks and crevices, carpets, even on the sofa. Also, you can spread baking soda between the bed mattress, bed spring, surface of the mattress, as well as the frame. Number 4. Remove baking soda. Keep baking soda a few days until you see dead bed bugs or nymphs. Remember, nymphs are usually difficult to see. You may need close attention, and extra light or lens to observe them. Ensure they all die before removing the baking soda with a vacuum cleaner. Tips and warning. Number 1. This process seems very much time-consuming, but it's the most economic and easiest way to kill bed bugs effectively. Since bed bugs are very difficult to eliminate even with the help of professional exterminators, and a lot of toxic chemicals, you need to reapply baking soda several times a year. Number 2. If you want to remove bed bugs fast, and like to spend more money, then you should not apply this method. Number 3. It's necessary to treat the entire home at a time. Otherwise, your good area can be reinfested from the untreated area. Hence, your total efforts to getting rid of bed bugs will result nothing, unnecessary loss of time and money. That's all about baking soda for bed bugs. Thanks for staying with us. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information, please visit our website, fleabitsinfo.org.